Alright, we're on week 4, and this week we're going to be learning about the most groundbreaking advancements in artificial intelligence, the Transformer model. This deep learning architect is the heart of the modern AI, powering models like GPT, BERT, and even text to image generators like DALL-E. If you ever wondered how ChatGPT or Google Translate works, you're in the right place. Now, you might be thinking, what is a transformer? So, let's go back to the basics. The transformer is a type of neural network architect introduced by Google researchers in 2017. Unlike traditional models that process text sequentially, transformers process entire sequences in parallel, making them much faster and more efficient. GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Let's break that down. The G in generative, it generates text rather than just classifying it. Pre-trained, the model learned from massive amounts of text before fine-tuning for a specific task. The T, transformer, is the backbone architect that enables it to predict the next word in a sentence with high accuracy. At its core, GPT is a large language model. It predicts the next word in a sequence based on the context, just like when Gmail suggests your next words while typing an email. Now, how does it work? The magic of GPT and other language models lies in something called word embeddings. Words are converted into numerical vectors in a multi-dimensional space. The closer two word vectors are, the more similar their meanings. For example, if we take the word king and subtract man and add woman, we end up close to queen. This kind of mathematical relationship helps the model understand language in a way that mimics human intuition. Next, we'll be going over self-attention mechanisms. One of the biggest breakthroughs in transformers is the self-attention mechanism. Instead of processing words one by one, like older models, transformers allow words to interact with others dynamically. Think of it like a library. If you're looking for a book on quantum mechanics, the librarian, which would be the attention mechanism, scans the entire collection and finds the relative books and prioritizes them for you. This allows to understand words in context, so bank means financially, institutions in one sentence, and riverbank in another. Multi-head attention and layers. The transformer model has multiple attention heads, for each focusing on different aspects of a sentence. Some heads might track subject-verb relations, others might detect emotion, and others might understand tense. These attention heads work together across multiple layers to refine the meaning of each word, making the model's output more accurate and nuanced. Encoder and decoder structures. Transformers have two key parts, encoders and decoders. Encoders take input text and convert it into context-rich numerical representations. Decoders use the information to generate meaningful output, whether it's text, completion, translation, or even answering questions. BERT, for example, uses only encoders while GPT relies on decoders. That's why GPT is better at generating text, while BERT excels at understanding it. Training and fine-tuning. Training a transformer involves feeding it billions of words from books, websites, and Wikipedia. Intentionally, the model just guesses random words, but over time, it learns patterns and relationships through a process of backpropagation. Even after pre-training, it can be fine-tuned for a specific task. For example, GPT-3 was trained broadly, but ChatGPT was fine-tuned to be more conversational, and aligned with human preferences. Applications of transformers. Transformers are not just for chatbots. Their power, such as speech to text models like Siri and Alexa, image generation models like Midjourney and DALL-E, and protein folding simulations for medical research, and code generation tools like GitHub Copilot. Now, the AI boom we're witnessing today is largely because of transformers. As models get bigger and more efficient, we're looking at a future where AI can even have more aspects in our lives. The future of AI with transformers. AI is advancing with more efficient models like GPT-4 and BERT upgrades enhancing education, healthcare, and automation. As these technologies grow, ethical AI and biases reduction efforts are crucial to ensuring fairness and responsible impact.